afternoon, my name is Alexandra Finis. I am a multimedia arts student and today nandito po tayo sa Museo ni Jose Rizal or ang kanyang bahay para maipresent po namin ang aming video documentary project.
The Rizal Shrine we are currently visiting is a reproduction of the very same house Rizal grew up in, using the very same materials of stones, bricks, and wood. It was built by Rizal's father, Francisco Rizal Mercado, around 1848 to 1850. During the centenary of the Philippine independence in 1998, the National Commission for Culture and Arts and the National Centennial Commission decided that the Rizal Shrine should focus on the childhood Rizal had lived.
Grabe laki ng bahay nila. Nung pumunta lang talaga ako dito sa bahay ni Rizal, doon ko lang namalayan na mayaman talaga sila. Ang laki rin ng bahay eh. Ganda-ganda pa.
As multimedia artists, the knowledge we gain from studying the life and works of Rizal help us create content that is not only visually appealing, but also meaningful and socially aware. Rizal uses his writings and art to reflect reality, exposing justice and inspire change, which we can apply in film, design, and digital media. His courage to express ideas through creative work reminds us that multimedia is not just for entertainment, but also a powerful tool for storytelling and influence. Rizal is relevant in our field because he represents the idea that art has purpose. In multimedia, we can incorporate cultural identity, history, and social issues into our work, just like how Rizal embedded his advocacies in his novels and essays. His work encourages us to be responsible with the content we produce and to use our skills to inform, inspire, and contribute to society, rather than simply follow trends.
Magandang hapon po. Ako po si Miguel Moralion from MCL.
Ako po si Vince Joshua Lavinia, nag-aaral sa Mapua Malayan Colleges, Laguna.
Ngayon po mag-interview po ako with
Angel Day Nicole, OJT dito sa bahay ni Rizal.
Ako po si Shamay Sagales, student intern po sa bahay ng Rizal.
sa let's say, dahil po mandated ang subject na life and works of Rizal, sa tingin niyo po ba kailangan po siya pag-aralan sa school?
Yes, para maintindihan ang kasaysayan ng Pilipinas sa pag-aaral ng buhay ni Rizal and also maunawaan ng mga nangyayari sa Pilipinas noong panahon ng Espanyol.
Yes po, kasi po nakakatulong din ito upang ma-inspire ang mga kabataan na mahalin ang kanilang bansa at ipaglaban ang tama sa mapayapang paraan tulad ng ginagawa ni Rizal sa kanyang mga aklat na No Limitangere at El Filibusterismo.
Pero ngayon naman po sa panahon natin ng Pilipinas, tayo po independent country na. Bakit po importante ang pagkakaalam sa buhay ni Rizal para po sa inyong buhay?
Para maging upang maging makabayan, pinapakita kasi ni Rizal kung paano niya mahalin ang bansa and also maging inspirasyon sa mga kabataan kung paano yun sa talino at sa kanyang pagsusulat is nakatulong para makalaya yung Pilipinas.
Nakakatulong siya sa buhay ko ngayon dahil nagbibigay ito ng inspirasyon na mas magiging responsable at malasakit sa bansa. Ipinapakita ni Rizal na kahit na simpleng paraan tulad ng pag-aaral, pagsusulat, at pagsasabi ng katotohanan ay maaaring makatulong sa pagbabago ng Pilipinas.
Yun lamang po, maraming salamat.
After finishing SS41, honoring Rizal as a multimedia art student means moving away from just seeing him as a face on a coin and instead seeing him as a fellow storyteller. Rizal used the multimedia of his time novels, essays, and sketches to challenge the status quo and speak truth to power. For an artist today, this transformation manifests in using tools like film, digital illustration, and photography with more intention. It's about realizing your technical skills aren't just for aesthetics, but are powerful instruments for documenting the Filipino experience and fighting modern misinformation, much like Rizal did with his pen. This course shifts your value system from a passive, textbook definition of nationalism to a practical daily habit of excellence. Instead of using grand gestures, nationalism becomes a discipline you put into your craft, honing your skills in software to contribute to the local creative industry. Your daily lifestyle changes you as become a more critical consumer of media, questioning the narratives you see online and choosing to highlight local stories in your projects. Ultimately, SS41 transforms you from a student who simply creates content into a purposeful creator that understands that art is a responsibility to the community.
Matapos ang pagtatanong, nalaman natin kung ano nga ba ang buhay ni Rizal. At ngayong matatapos na muli, ako si Vince Joshua Ilaviña at kasama ko ang aking kagrupo, Alexandria Finis, at ang nagbibideo ngayon, Miguel Moralion. At dito nagtatapos ang aming Life and Works of Rizal.